Hey, what's happening, sticker heads? How you doing? How you been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get this video started, you already know, going to smash that thumbs up. You know what we're trying to do.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
On this video, we got that what? That
Weekly
weekly
heat.
heat, baby.
The weekly
That
heat.
weekly heat. Yes,
Mhm.
sir. I'm gonna go ahead and start off. So, as you know, we do have some Jordan Jumpman Jack shoes are releasing. On the last video that we put out, looks like they were supposed to be releasing the black, white, and red pair. But however, that shoe never released on Nike.com. So again, like I told y'all when we put the video out, those sneakers wasn't loaded on the sneakers app. So I did think that they might be pushed back. I assume that they will still come out, but at this time, April 30th, we will have the Jordan Jumpman Jack with a retail price of $200. This is his original colorway. These shoes were going at one point over $1,000 before when they released on his website. Then Nike released them, I guess, at a wider review. And I guess these are a re-release because they're releasing again. The majority of this pair features a predominantly white and brown pair of shoes that Travis Scott is known for. His colors are mostly in the brown colorways. He does like to rock those. This shoe does have a sail backwards swoosh on the side. It does have that rubber brown outsole. I do think it works for this shoe. I know not everyone is a fan of the brown rubber outsole, but I do think that it works in this shoe. On the back, we do see that he has a standard Cactus Jack face, and on the tongue, we does feature that red Jordan Jumpman. Along the strap, we do see that Chinese writing. On the bottom of the sole, we'll have that Jack and Brown. Again, we already all seen these shoes before, so it's not nothing new. This is your chance to get these for retail. Right now, prices are still hovering from about $570 and above for all sizes. So if you want these, go ahead and try to cop these for retail. I am rocking these. How about you, my brother?
Hey, I love the collab. I love the collab. Nice work there, Jordan Brand and Travis Scott. Hey, I will be rocking those as well. Hey, drop us a comment down below. Either you rocking those or drop it. I will be rocking those, my brother.
So moving on, what we got next, my brother?
And I had a pair of these. I had a pair of these. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Had
sir.
a pair of them.
OG.
Yeah, OG. This shoe stands out. That color scheme, how they incorporated all the blue, how they, if you look at the eyelets, the midsole, the heel tabs, and then they even went as far as with the Jumpman logo. So I like how they really incorporated that blue, right? And then what I love, if you look at the toe area, how they got that gray involved. I can see this shoe doing quite well. This is a hey, drop us a comment down below. Either you agree or disagree, but this is a clean cut shoe. And you know me, I'm a fan of the ones through the fours. And this is right up there for I'm a one fan out the gate, but right there close second or close first is that four. I'm really loving this military blue. Um, I can see, like I mentioned before, this shoe doing quite well. But what makes this shoe stands out for me is how clean it is. How clean it is. The only concern I will have is if you scuff it, that gray. That's what I'm concerned with, right? But overall, I am rocking those. I am rocking those. What about you, my brother?
I'm rocking these as well. I do not have a pair of these. I never had any of the previous retros before this release, so I am looking forward to getting these in my collection. Keep in mind, this will be the first time since the 1989 pair that we do have Air Jordan branding on the back. But that's what makes this shoe special to me. TikTok and all these other media sites where people are complaining about the color of the blue because the last pair that released in 2012 was a lighter shade of blue. But to me, I don't think that really matters. I prefer the Air branding on the back versus whatever color blue they're going to give us. As we know that, Jordan Brand never gives us the exact same thing over and over. They're always trying to switch up one color or one design, makes it different from the actual OG. But according to all the sneaker news and what Jordan Brand is pushing out, this is the most iconic shoe and the most similar shoe that we'll be looking like the OG from 1989. Does not look like the one from 2012, but it will feature as close as to the OG as possible. So therefore, I am rocking these. Let me know down in the comments. Did you already grab your pair? We do know that these have shock dropped already. I think my brother already got his pair in hand, right? Stay tuned for that. Um, as well as today, April 25th, supposedly they did have exclusive access for these same sneakers. And rumors are there's supposed to be 1 million to over 1 million pairs. So if you want these should be easy to cop. Let us know, sneakerheads. Are you rocking these or dropping these?
Yes, sir. Hey, and if you guys continue to love content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
And like we say for sure, when you're blessed,
Hey, bless others. Peace.